Good morning, dear students. We are studying English literature, chapter 3rd, Living with Pap in The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So, in this chapter 3, so far, we have gone through the story that is Huck's father hears about the amount of money Huck has found and he comes to get hold of the money. But by using brain, Huck has been able to save his money because he knows his father will waste the money after drinking. So one day his father gets opportunity and catches him and brings him forcefully to another side of the river Mississippi in a boat and in the woods. And in that woods there is a wooden hut completely hidden from the public view. And Huck's father always keeps an eye on him so that it is quite tough for Huck to run away from there. During the daytime, he is always with him, and at night before sleeping, he locks Huck from inside and keeps the key under his head. And they go for, they means his father, not both of them, his father goes for hunting in the wood and fishing also, and they fill up their stomach and survive. After every few days, Huck's father goes to market and trade fish for whiskey, and after returning home, he beats Huck mercilessly under the influence of liquor, and it becomes a regular routine. Situation becomes quite intolerable for Huck, but Huck cannot do anything. There is no escape. There is no escape. Huck's father is so much careful that he doesn't keep anything like knife or other tools in the hut because he knows that Huck will run away from there. So one day Huck's father goes to market and he does not return for 3 days. Huck thinks that he has drowned into the river and died. And now he means Huck has lost all hope to come out of the hut, because he knows that nobody will be able to know that someone is locked inside that hut, and he will not be able to, he cannot come out from that hut. So frantically he starts searching for something that could help him, that can help him to come out of that log cabin, and suddenly he finds a rusted saw tucked in the beam of that hut. You know, that is a word for beam, that is rafters, you know. He finds that old saw. You know what is saw? That is a iron blade that is used for cutting wood. And here Huck greases that saw and he goes to the back of the wall of that hut, and there he finds that wall is covered with a blanket so that cold wind doesn't enter. Cold wind cannot enter through the gaps into that hut. You know, that is chink. Word chink has been used. Through chinks has been used. See here, means gap or crack. So the blanket covers the wall of that hut so that when the wind blows, it shouldn't enter the hut through the gaps between logs, between the logs, piece of wood. Now, so he lifts the blanket and starts cutting the bottom log. He starts cutting a section of bottom log of the hut, but soon he hears the sound of his father coming. So his father comes, but he is not drunk that time. It means he is in natural self. Now Huck cooks supper, last food of the day, supper, and after that his father and he take food, and then his father starts for drinking. And Huck hits upon an idea on his mind. He thinks that when his father is unconscious under the influence of liquor, he will steal the key and run away. But he couldn't keep awake. But Huck couldn't keep awake and he doesn't know when he fell asleep. And when he got up, it was morning and his father was commanding him to go to the river side to see if there is any fish on the fishing line and bring that so that they could have breakfast. He goes to the riverside and there he finds river is rising. Means flood is coming in the river. That the river had begun to rise. Now, there he finds a small boat floating on that river. There came along a canoe. So he quickly went into the river and brought that canoe, that is small boat, to the shore and hide it. He saw his father was busy hunting and he hides that canoe because he knows very well that it will be very useful for him in running away from there. Now his father comes to the riverside and he scolds Huck for being so slow. And Huck tells him that he fell down into the river, that's why he was so late. Around midday, means in afternoon again, Huck and his father come to the river bank. And the river is still rising very fast. And they saw many branches of tree and other pieces of wood floating in the river. So they collected all the pieces of wood and